I'm gonna be teaching y'all boys how to mix for beginners on Bandlab. Hey, so easy, bro. A dummy could do it, bro. You know what I'm saying? No shade to nobody. But I know everybody don't feel like learning how to mix so much. They don't want to do so much complicated. They just want to do the minimum amount and have a good, nice mix. You know what I'm saying? Nobody don't want to hear them crazy, nasty sounding mixes. Y'all want y'all mix to sound good. And I understand that. Y'all want to sound like Yeat. Y'all want to sound like Playboi Carti. Y'all want y'all quality to be good. I understand that. So y'all stay with me, man. I'm going to show y'all right now. Hey, first thing you want to do, man, you want to open up your session. You're going to do everything regular. You know what I'm saying? You're going to open up the session. You're going to start recording. Pull your beat in, all that. I'm going to show y'all right now. Y'all stay with me.
Stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said, told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets.
Yes, sir. After you do that, you don't want to touch the beat. You don't want to turn the volume down on the beat. You don't want to do nothing. Just go ahead and record your song. Just mix the vocals. Then save the song. Once you save the song, you got to download the song onto your phone. Once you got the song downloaded to your phone, you put it on Splitter. I'm going to show you how to get the Splitter on Bandlab. I'm going to show you how to use Splitter on Bandlab and how to get to it right now. With Splitter, here where the magic come in, man, we can do whatever. Like, we can really manipulate the song how we want to, manipulate the beat how we want to. So, let me show y'all that.
Erica, is Lucas there? Where is he?
Told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said Katie robbing and stealing, that's really how I eat. And if I ain't got no money, then my mission not complete. Yeah, life is a game, so that's why a nigga cheat. We gon' walk down on feet, sippin' on lean, not sippin' no tea. Why these little nigga be acting like me? Gucci, double G. Gucci, double G. Gucci, double G. Walk your head down, yeah, we real big steppers. Broad daylight gang, we gon' pop it at whoever. Every year I get smarter, a young nigga clever. Call me Chuck E. Cheese, cause I'm all about my cheddar. Watches on both of my wrists, watches on both of my bitch. 30 in my pants pocket, and I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kidding. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you silly. Running up, nigga, you silly. Roll up, I'm in another nigga city doing donuts. Smoke break, should've joined the football team. How I'm pushing weight. Cartier wrist, Cartier shouted. Yeah, Cartier wrist, Cartier shouted. I just hit the club, nothing but Bacardi. Yeah, I just hit the club, 100 bottles of Bacardi. Told my brody to get some money and stay up by the streets. He said Katie robbing and stealing, that's really how I eat. And if I ain't got no money, then my mission not complete. Yeah, life is a game, so that's why a nigga cheat. We gon' walk down on feet, sippin' on lean, not sippin' no tea. Why these little nigga be acting like me? Gucci, double G, and I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kidding. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you silly. Running up, nigga, you silly. Roll up, I'm in another nigga city doing donuts. Smoke break, should've joined the football team. How I'm pushing weight. And I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kidding. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you silly. Running up, nigga, you silly. Roll up, I'm in another nigga city doing donuts. Smoke break, should've joined the football team. How I'm pushing about my cheddar. Watches on both of my wrists, watches on both of my bitch. 30 in my pants pocket, and I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kidding. I bust on her face, she pretty. Run
The good thing about splitter is AI, and it automatically separates the parts of the track, the parts of your song. So it'll separate the bass, the melody, the vocals, and the drums. With that being said, man, we got full control over basically the whole track now. So we can get the sound how we want to. We could turn the instrumental down. We could bring bass. We could take away bass. We could add plugins even to let's say we want to put a stereoized plugin on the melody of the instrumental. We could easily do that. We can add compression to the bass. We can do whatever we want to. So the splitter, it definitely comes in clutch. I'm gonna show y'all an example. Hey, so let me go ahead and show y'all an example of me using the splitter right in front of y'all so y'all can see how to use it and how you can mix perfectly and easily on Bandlab, man. Hey, only thing I ask y'all boy to do, man, is just smash that subscribe button for me, man. It's free. You know what I'm saying? I'm dropping gems for y'all, bro. Nobody doing it like me. Yes, sir, man. That pretty much wraps up the video, man. Like I said, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Plenty new content coming soon. A new preset soon, too. Y'all boy just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all so much. We about to be at 8,000. Hey, by the time the video come out, we might already be there. So I'm gonna say thank y'all in advance, man. And I ain't gonna stop going with the video. I'm gonna get some new equipment soon. I keep saying it, but soon I'm getting new equipment so I can record some more songs for y'all. Y'all some more presets, man. Hey, I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man.
Money and stay up by the streets. He said Katie robbing and stealing, that's really how I eat. And if I ain't got no money, then my mission not complete. Yeah, life is a game, so that's why a nigga cheat. We gon' walk down on feet, sippin' on lean, not sippin' no tea. Why these little nigga be acting like me? Gucci, double chin, I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kitty. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you silly. Running up, nigga, you silly. Roll up, I'm in another nigga city doing donuts. Smoke break, should've joined the football team. And I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kitty. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you silly. Running up, nigga, you silly. Roll up, I'm in another nigga city doing donuts. Smoke break, should've joined the football team. About my cheddar. Watches on both of my wrists, watches on both of my bitch. 30 in my pants pocket, and I got a 30 on my hip. These nigga pussy, they kitty. I bust on her face, she pretty. Running up, nigga, you see.